Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be looking at Gemini API. I'm going to be dividing this part into a lot of parts. We're going to be trying to build in a chatbot at the end that can do a lot of things, but for now we're just going to keep it basic so that we can exchange uh, things, so that we can actually exchange, talk with it, exchange talks if you want it like that. And by the way, I am back, guys. If you're wondering, I am back. I'm hopefully going to be posting regularly. If not, just bear with me, guys. There are some of my personal problems. Maybe I'm joking, maybe I'm not. Maybe I have an excuse, maybe I'm not. But still, I didn't want to lie in you too, literally. But come on, hopefully, and please show me some support because this channel has not been easy. I've got a lot of other things to do, and I'm doing this channel just for fun. So please show me some support so that I can continue making videos in this channel. It has been a while, 5 months since I posted my last video. It's really insane, but I know you don't want to see this so much yet. Let's get right into it. First thing first, you're going to be wanting to go put this in the terminal, and we are going to put this line again. Yeah, I'm starting to make that joke. If you don't know this joke, go into my YouTube shorts, watch that too. Anyway, going into it, let's start. First thing first, we're going to be after you put this line in your terminal, we're gonna go from Google import Gen AI. Ooh, cool name. It's actually Gen AI, so it's this first one. Next up, we're gonna go client. Client is genai.client, and then the API key is key.key. So we're just initializing it right now. Just write this one, and then I'm going to import key. So right here, instead of key.key, what you want is your API key. I wanted to hide it because of some obvious reasons. It's personal, and I don't want it. I didn't want to make this bad, I didn't want to show it. I'm not that dumb, guys. Anyway, so we're going to make chats is going to be client.chats.create, I believe, yeah. And then you pass in a model. The model is going to be Gemini 2.0 Flash. This you're going to use the latest model. And by the way, I'm going to link another. This time it's an actual link. I'm going to link you the Gemini docs. They're way better at explaining than I am. So definitely go look them up. Next up, what we're going to need is a response. Now we've got two ways of getting a response. First thing is just asking to send. We're just going to send the message normally, as you can see right here. Okay, let me just show you. Here there is send message and send message stream. Right now, maybe I'm going to go send message stream. Like I believe in this video, I'm going to do it. I have 10-minute limit. 10 minutes. This is just what I decided to do. Anyway, chat.send message. It just sends a regular message. Nothing to worry about. It is slower than message stream, and I'm going to show you why later. Anyway, for now we're just let's go like this. Just an introduction. So we're going to pretty basically just send a message to the chat. It's called chats, yeah, I call it chats. You're going to send a message to this chats, and then you're going to be, of course, sending in a message. So for example, what is Elon's net worth? Do not ask me from where did I got that question. What is Elon's net worth? And then I'm going to print the response.txt. I'm going to open up the terminal right now. I've already, what? Oh, I said the réponse. I'm French, mom. I'm not French actually, but I speak French. I speak French, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go Python main. It should be giving us, yeah. As of November 8, 2023, estimates of Elon's net worth vary depending on the source. Yeah, I'm going to fix something really quick. What I want to do is change these two asterisks because I don't really like them. They're pretty bad, and it's really easy. You just go replace the double asterisks with. I just wanted to do that because they look pretty ugly in the terminal. They would look good if you actually put them in an actual website and use them. in. I don't know. I might make a video in the future. I've actually successfully made one where it's a literal website and you can actually interact with the chatbots. Of course, it's not going to be right now because I'm just also new to this, and yeah, pretty basically I'm new to this AI thing. Not new to this AI thing. I'm new to this API as itself. Now this should work. We've tried it. It worked. Just replace the asterisks with nothing. So pretty basically, whenever there is asterisks like this, it just skips it. Pretty basically. Next up, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be interacting with the chatbot. So we're gonna go with a while true loop. While true loop. Oh, I ran it by mistake. It's not going to run, but I'm gonna put it right inside. I'm going to be creating a message. What is the message going to be? The message is going to be input. I'm going to be putting in an input. I'm just going to say you. And I'm going to check if the message is by message.lower, so that you can make it lowercase. So even if it's uppercase, even if you write it any way you want, it's still going to leave /by. If it's /by, then just exit. Else, it should just pass. We're gonna go message. Also, something else that I really want is to clear the chat. This seems really hard. Clearing all the messages that we've spoke to it. You just go message.lower if it's /clear, and we're going to write. You're going to, oh my god, I run it again. You're going to go and do os.system CLS. What it's going to do is pretty basically the system, it runs it like it's in the terminal. Also input words. It runs it like it's in the terminal. Pretty basically what it does is opens the terminal, writes CLS, and sees what it does, and it does it to our program. It's actually really beautiful how this works. And then here you just put in the message and the message takes. Also, let's decorate this a little bit. Add a line right here. Add the line right here, and we've already finished our chatbot pretty basically. Look at how much lines, 18, and we've decorated it. And look at how many spaces, 18 lines, and we're already finished. And I have got a comment up to it. So you can optimize it at least like 14 lines. Let's run this and see if it works. So I'm starting off. It's going to tell me you. I'm going to say Bill Gates this time. What is Bill Gates' net worth in 2025? It's going to say that I don't know. I'm pretty sure because it does not know. No, I don't believe. Predicting, of course, it's going to predict. Exact net worth is impossible. Okay, it's impossible. Manufacturers could influence it, including whatever. And before I leave this video, I want to show you the send message stream. Also, we're going to try a /clear. Okay, consider the previous response cleared, and then /by, we'll just exit. What we're going to be doing now is send message stream. This time, it will make faster responses. So pretty basically, you know how when you speak to a chatbot, it does not just print the text, it prints it word by word. This is exactly what send message stream does. Not word by word, but chunk by chunk. Pretty basically, it takes a chunk and it divides the chunk, and then it continues on printing it. So for this purpose, I'm gonna go, for example, I believe you should go text is equal to that, and then you're gonna go for every single chunk in the response. Then text is just going to plus equal chunk, and then you can just print chatbot with that text, and then actually chunk.text is going to print an error if I didn't do it. Let's check if it works. Oh my god, so clumsy today. Anyway, Python main. Let's ask the same question. What is, I'm just going to say Bill Gates' net worth. See how fast it went. It's just me or it was. Oh, the double asterisks. Oh my god, I'm going to remove that. Like, let's ask it like in. Oh, also I remember the last. I'm going to start in 40 lines, just to show you how fast it is. Look at that. Oh my god, it was 40 lines. And it remembers the last text. Send message normally does not remember it. And before I leave, I'm just going to remove these asterisks. They're pretty annoying. And pretty basically, we are done. I'm also going to get all of this code in the description if you want to go ahead and try, play around with it. Next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can interact with images, read them, and make the AI chatbot talk a little bit more about them. See you in the next video, and also another time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you another time.